Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the GaN wall charger. It's 33 watts. It's from a company called Powerland Tech. And here's some details on the back of what it has to offer. We'll show you the actual unit in just a second. So here it is. It's super small. You could fit this in easily in a pants pocket or even a change pocket, even if you have skinny jeans. So the ports on the bottom, there's a USB-C port right there. You have flip-out prongs, super easy. Slip it in your pocket, ready to go. And to show you the size difference, here is another similar type GaN fast charger. It is 30 watts, so you get 3 more watts in this one. This is also singular USB, but look, the size difference is pretty amazing. So in just 1 year, they've gone about half size, or maybe even smaller, on this new GaN charger. So it's great for travel. Use it at home, use it at the office, take it with you, but it provides enough power to charge your MacBook Air all the way to your iPad Pro and other mobile devices, as well as the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra. You can get this now on Amazon from Powerland Tech. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.